Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Gather a CR 2032 coin cell battery, a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool, and a clean flat surface to work on. Place the 2023 Kia Sportage key fob with the buttons facing up and slide out the mechanical key using the release latch. Set that metal key aside. Work over a soft towel so the tiny components do not bounce away, and keep the battery and any screws or clips within reach to prevent losing parts during the change. Slide the mechanical key out again, locate the seam along the fob edge, and insert the flathead or plastic pry tool gently into that seam to separate the two halves. Note the battery orientation before removal. The exposed face marked with plus should be visible when installed. Carefully lever the old CR 2032 out and position the new CR 2032 with the plus side up into the battery pocket. Align the case halves and press firmly until you hear a click, then slide the mechanical key back into its slot. After reassembly, stand within 1 to 2 meters of the Sportage and press lock then unlock to confirm the fob transmits. The doors and LED should respond. If the remote does not work, open the case again to reseat the CR 2032 and inspect the metal contacts for dirt or corrosion. Clean gently with isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab and retry with a fresh CR 2032 before assuming reprogramming is needed. Recycle the used battery at a designated battery drop-off and avoid disposing of coin cells.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.